Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Gaming Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to download quick hit slots on your phone. First step is to open your App Store. After opening your App Store, you can see this search icon on the bottom right corner. After that, click on search bar and type in quick hit slot. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, click on it. And here you can see this get option, click on get. Now it is going to ask for verification. After the verification is done, your download has been started. It may take some time depending on how fast your internet is. After your download is completed, you can see open option here. Click on open and here you have successfully downloaded Quick Hit Slot app. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.